don't have any food. Are you hungry? I don't have any food. Do you want some food? Do you want some food? Are you hungry? You do want some food. Do you want some? Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. Do you want some food? Where'd you go? Do you want some? I'll give you some food. Okay, bye. What are you doing? What are you doing, Tommy? He has the same food as you. Do you want more food? I'm still hungry. I'm still hungry. Do you want more food? Excuse me. Excuse me, can I have your food? Hi. You're okay. Cicero, did you get kicked off? So I'm gonna eat all your fucking food and you're just gonna take it. Are you still hungry? Crunch, crunch, crunch. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Those little bitty hands are so cute. Oh, Tommy's over there in the corner. Can't see him. Hello. You must be really hungry. Can't see him. No. You're so freaking cute, it's ridiculous. Okay. Hi. Do you want more food? Do you want more food? I can get you some more. Oh, nope. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. I can get more food. Do you want more food? This is the funniest shit I've ever experienced. Hey, there's a whole bunch of them down there at the bottom. No, I'm gonna take it. Watch me. I'm still hungry. I'm sorry, I've never seen a raccoon up close this much. And you seem really nice. Determined, but nice. I mean, it could be worse. Okay. again. And that's how the water gets dirty. Right? Is that what happens? Are you done? Okay, bye. Don't go that way, it's dangerous. Go out the front. You gotta be careful. Change your mind? Yep, still hungry. Okay.